Welcome back, guys. In this lecture we are going to work on the shows API. So first we need to have a show model. So go to the models, show model.js, const mongoose is equal to require mongoose, schema timestamps true. So now title is not required, just name is required, name true. Next one will be date, type date, required true, time string required true, movie ID, reference is equal to movies, and then ticket price, number, total seats, number, and then after theater should be normal reference, so required true, so it should be reference theaters. So after the total seats we need to have the booked seats, or else you can call it as the filled seats. Booked seats, it should be an array. We need to have the booked seats numbers here, array, default empty array, and also available seats is not required. Anyhow, if we do the minus, you are going to get that. That is total seats minus booked seats dot length will be available seats. That's okay. Theater is came, everything is name, date, time, movie, ticket price, total seats, booked seats. I think we are good. So if we came across any errors, we will fix it. So const show is equal to mongoose dot model shows show schema. Fine. Now we need to have the show operation. So you can create a separate file, or else you can have it in the theaters route only, because these are interlinked anyhow. So I can write this here itself, add a new show, add show. So this will be add show, try, const theater is not required, you just need to add the show directly. Const new show is equal to new show of request body, await new show of save, success true, show added successfully, catch error, response send, success false, error message, close this out, done. Here import the show model. Perfect. I think we are good. Add show. So get all shows. Let's write these things also. Get all shows by theater, because when we click on the shows button on the theater, we will know the theater ID. So we just need to get all the shows for the theater which are created. Okay. So same router dot post get all shows by theater, try, await show dot find theater, and we will get the theater ID from the front end. Sort is equal to created it, response dot send success true, shows fetched successfully, data is nothing but the shows, catch block, send the error message. Perfect. Yeah, so remaining we'll do it later. First we need to have the add and get. Okay, both are post methods only. So come to our theaters.js in the front end. Here also you need to write add show, const add show. So const response is equal to await axios instance dot post. So this is the API call, theaters/add show, obviously return response and catch block, throw the error, and even in the get all shows also do the same thing. So const response is equal to axios instance dot get, sorry, this should be post. So get all shows by theater, and we will send the payload as it is what we get in the UI. Done. Okay, so let's go to the shows index.js again. So you need to have the two things. So already you have this get movies, so instead of get movies just call it as get data. So in this only we are going to get both, get data. Perfect. So here this should be the movies response. I'm going to replace this variable movies response, and here also movies response. Perfect. And then I'm going to write const shows response. So get all shows by theater. Let's see what I have given. Get all shows by theater. Control S here and import it here. Yeah. So now if shows response dot success, put it here, else throw the error. Done. Backend we got an error. What is this? Oh, this should be sent in the theater ID format. Yes. So let's restart the server. npm nodemon server/server. Done. Format. So now you need to have the const handle add show. Done. So I think I'll get the snippet. Let's wait for a few seconds. No, GitHub Copilot is not helping me. So catch block, I'm going to have the message.error, dispatch hide loading, try block. Yeah, I got the response. Make this async. Okay, so let me explain this. Format documents. So dispatch show loading. First we are showing the loading. Handle add show. Why this bullshit? We don't need all these things. So I got some incorrect snippet. Get rid of. First let me get rid of this. This is add show. Yeah. So const response is equal to await add show of. First one will be as it is values that we will get in the form submit event values, and we just need to send theater. That's all. Remaining is done. Values and theater. So if response.success, call the get data, set view table, else message.error. Done. So add show is not imported. Let's import this. Okay, so you might be wondering this structure. So here values are nothing but the form values. So if I write the on finish here for the form, I'm going to get that values. On finish is equal to handle add show. You can see handle add show. So your response success, message.success, get data, all these things are okay, and then else block. Okay, done. So here theater is mandatory because we need to have the association between the theater and show. Okay, done. So let's go to the theaters, shows. Show.find is not a function. In the back end we are getting an error. Go to the theaters route. Const show is equal to show model. Okay. Oh, we need to write module.exports. Let's open this again. Yeah, this time I didn't got the error. So let me have show name morning show date. So I'll keep the min date property. I am not sure whether it will work in the HTML input. So let's see. Index.js. Where is date? Yeah, here it is there. Min. Yeah, so I got new date of to ISO string. So this is the thing you have to write for the HTML to pick the min date. Let's see. Yeah, so here you can see old dates are blocked. So let me explain this. To ISO string dot split of 0. So you can copy this as it is. Even I don't know, this is the first time I'm using the HTML type date. So new date dot ISO string of split t of 0. I think maybe the normal YYYYDD MMDD format. This is, I think so, but no worries, you can use this as it is. Yeah, okay, so I'm just adding my show on this Saturday, 14th January. Time I'm going to keep it 6 o'clock, which is nothing but 1800. Select movie. I'm going to have avatar show at that time. Actually this is first show or else evening show, EVNG, evening show. Ticket price I'm going to keep it 120. Total seats I'm going to keep it 150 in my theater. So I'm just clicking on the save button now. Let's hope everything works fine. Show added successfully. Awesome. So here you can see show name evening show, date, time, movie, ticket price, total seats, available seats, action. So first and foremost we need to format two things here, date as well as the movie. So movie we need the name, not the ID. Date we need in a particular format. So first of all let's format the date. Import moment from moment, import moment from moment. So if you expand the columns, this is the date, right? Just write the render method. You can have a return. We'll do in format like DOYYYY. This is the best format for reading. Yeah, January 4th 2023, 14th, Jan 14th, time. Okay, so this is the readable format. I'm just using this. So if you want to, instead of complete month, if you want only 3 letters, you can have 3 So Jan 14th 2023, fine. So time, okay. Movie. So instead of ID I want to display the movie name. So I can have, first of all I need to populate the response in the movies route, theaters route. So this is get all shows by theater, right? So in this find method, before sorting I need to write the populate dot populate, and I am going to populate the movie. I'm going to populate the movie. You can see. So now I am going to get the response of the complete movie object. Sorry, it's movies, because we have given the collection reference to movies. You can see. So you will get the complete movie object. So that we need to have the column name. So go to the index.js. This is the movie, right? So if you get the complete movie object, you need to write the movie.title. Record.movie.title. That's all. Now let's see. movies because it is not strict populate. We have given, oh okay, movie only, sorry, not movies. So we need to write the property name, not the collection name. Yeah, let's open this again. Perfect. So evening show, Jan 14, time, ticket price, total seats. So available seats also will write the logic. Go to the index.js, available seats, just write render record. So total record dot total seats minus booked seats length. So right now available also 150. So action we will do it later, because action we have lot of conditions. So if these show, if none of the tickets were booked for the show, then only we need to have the edit. So once it is booked, you cannot do anything here, like changing the date, time, movie name, all this stuff. So we need to write some complex logic for that. So for the time being, I will put only a delete button, so we can implement that later. So let's have, go to the theaters list. You have these render, copy this, put it here. I will change the stuff. Okay, so handle delete, I am going to do it. So edit, let's ignore. So if you want, you can delete and add, that's all. So handle delete, let's implement const handle delete async id try dispatch show loading delete delete show, not theater, delete show. Yeah, response dot success, message dot success, get data, else, message error, close these out, dispatch hide loading, catch error, message dot error, done. Okay, so handle delete is also okay. We just need to have the delete show here, not update show, delete show, done. So slash API slash theater slash delete show. So let's import these here itself, where you have used, yeah, delete show, done. So theaters list, okay, index, shows model, shows route, theaters route, yeah, here we have. So I'm just writing it here, delete show. So you will get the show ID, request dot body dot show ID, response dot send success true, show deleted successfully, cache block, response dot send success false, message error. Close these out. Perfect. Go to the index, handle delete. This is not theater ID, this is show ID. Here also make sure you pass the record dot underscore ID, done. So before deleting, let's have one more show. So show name, same day, I'm going to have the same day night show, night show. So 10th only. So I'm going to have we have 21 00, select movie, same Avatar 2, ticket price 120, total seats 160, save. Perfect. So you can see you got the night show, same Jan, okay, I have given Jan 10th today, anyhow it is correct only. So night show, Avatar 2, ticket price, total seats, available seats. So let's click on the delete. So this night show has to be deleted now, done. can see show deleted successfully, and we need to show the delete button only if booked seats, sorry, record.booked seats.length equal to 0, then only show the delete button. So right now this is eligible to delete, so obviously you can delete this. So we got the show, we got the theater, we got the admin panel, everything ready. So right now we have some data to display on the home page. That means Avatar 2 is running in Victor Mahal Theater and one show, that is what I can say, Jan 14th. So now we are ready to design our home page, and before that I'm going to write few scenarios in the next lecture. So how we are going to follow, that means if you go to the home page, first you need to display the movies, then you need to select the date like theater, shows and all stuff. So I don't want to confuse by doing all the things at a time. So we will write some scenarios and we will follow that scenarios while implementing. My deployed version is still loading, I don't know why. This render is irritating a lot. Previously Heroku was very good for deployment. Yeah, okay guys, so we are done with the shows module also. So from the next section we are going to work on the booking module. Thank you.